I'm out here with the M&P 5.7. You know what I'm saying? I like this little gun. Small little thing, barely any recoil. Shooting these little nice little mini 5.56s to me. But let's go ahead. I got something sexy chambered. Let's go ahead and take a shot at the plate. This joint's so smart. I think. Let me go one more time. All right, let's go look. All right, so we hit both shots. They just so small, like to see. So, got one shot here, one impact, second impact right here. Now let's look and see. Yeah, and they tore right through. Like,